This video is going to show how to copy geometry between layers with the Paste Special command in OrCAD X Presto. As designs increase in complexity, copying similar geometry for keep-ins, keep-outs, and planes becomes much harder. New in OrCAD X Presto is the Paste Special command, which allows for an easy copy and paste of complex geometries. Let's start by copying board geometry. The board outline is rigid flex and has numerous irregular curves. To make it easier to select, click All Objects in the selection filter to turn off the selection of any object in the PCB canvas. Then select Shapes to enable the selection of shapes. Click the board outline to select it. Right-click the outline and select Copy. To paste the outline, right-click anywhere in the canvas and select Paste Special. The Paste Special widget opens with drop-down menus for shape use and destination layer. These are used to configure what layers the shape will be pasted to. The bottom of the widget shows the number of objects available to be pasted. Select Conductor Keep-In from the Shape Use menu to create a conductor keep-in. Select All for the destination layer to place the keep-in on all layers. New in OrCAD X Presto 23.1 is the ability to snap a copy created from Paste Special directly to the original outline. Hover your cursor over the outline until the copy snaps. Click to place the copy. In addition to snapping the original version of the shape, the pasted geometry can also be snapped to vertices, centers, and midpoints. Snap settings can be configured in the Snapping panel. Select Snapping in the top left corner of the canvas to open the Snapping panel. Ensure the options for Center, Vertex, and Midpoint are checked for shapes. Select Snapping again, or click anywhere outside the panel to close it. Let's create a component keep-in shape to demonstrate snapping. In the Paste Special widget, select Component Keep-In from the Shape Use dropdown and All for the destination layer. Hover your cursor over several corners and vertices on the board. The copy is snapped to each point. Click to place the conductor keep-in on the design outline. Press Escape on the keyboard to return to the normal selection mode. Quickly and easily copy geometry between layers with the Paste Special command in OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.